Hey guys, so quick video if you're looking if the Samsung Galaxy S23 supports wireless charging. So yes, the Galaxy S23 series allows fast charging and fast wireless charging when you really need your phone to be up and running quickly. When you plug Samsung fast charger, it's like for the charging, or fast wireless charging, to use this feature, use a charger, and you can see right here, and components that supports the fast wireless charging feature. So that's about it. And I just want to make this quick video for you on how if the Samsung S23 supports wireless charging, and yes, it has. So it does. It bless you. Like when in my country, when you bless, that means that it's right, that it's truth. So have a great day and goodbye.